Welcome to second video of Constitution Design. Children, I hope you all have come to know about the social and political condition of South Africa. In this video, I will explain you about South African's constitutions, preambles and what Nelson Mandela said about his country's constitution. After long negotiation, both parties agreed to a compromise. The whites agreed to the principle of majority rules and that of one person, one vote, and one value. They also agree to accept some basic rights for the poor and the worker. The black agreed that the majority rules could not be absolute, and they agreed that the majority would not take away the property of white minorities. Actually, black people, they were in the majority. This compromise was not an easy. How was compromise going to be implemented? So both communities were in doubt, especially white peoples. They were in doubt. They are not going to trust on black peoples. Even they managed to trust each other. What was guaranteed? That this trust will not be broken in future. Children, if you see today's South African people, they are living together, and moreover it is developed country. If you see its preambles, see what it is written, how it start. We the people of South Africa recognize the justice of our past, honor those who suffered for justice and freedom in our land, means especially black people, they suffered a lot. Respect those who have worked to build and develop our country, and believe that South Africa belongs to all who live in it, united in our diversity. We therefore, through our freely elected representative, adopt this constitution as supreme law of the republic so as to heal the visions of the past and establish a society based on the democratic values, social justice, and fundamental human right. Children, if you see in this figure, see it carefully, and if you see it captures the spirit of South Africans people today. South African people, they call themselves a rainbow nation because altogether they took their country towards the development path. Children, why they call themselves a rainbow nation? Write your view, answer, and send it to me. Children, many times in exam, question came why the South African Constitution inspired Democrats all over the world. Reason? Because a state denounced by the entire world till recently as the most undemocratic one. Now, one is now seen as the model of democracy. Means earlier South Africa was known as a racist country, known for discrimination, but because of unique constitution, now South Africa is well known democratic country. What made this change? Now question comes, what made this change possible was the determination of the people of South Africa. Both decided to work together to transform bitter experiences into the binding glue of a nation. Rainbow nation means all colored, white, and black people decided to live together. Mean all will work for the development of their country. Children, when Nelson Mandela became first president of South Africa, he said about South Africa Constitution. You know, the what he said? The Constitution of South Africa speaks of both the past and future. On the one hand, it is a solemn part in which we, as South Africans, declare to one another that we shall never permit a repetition of our racist, brutal, and repressive past. Means everything they were ready to forget, especially white and black. But it is more than that. It is also a charter for the transformation of our country into one which is truly shared by all its people, a country which in the fullest sense belong to all of us. Black and white, women and men, means all are equal irrespective of caste, creed, color and gender. Thank you, children. In next video, I will explain you about India's constitution. Till then, take care, stay home, and be happy.